Hi everyone, welcome to FusionTech material channel. Today we are going to show you the PVC cores, which is used for various applications, which is used in a converting industry, packing industry. Now paper cores are gone now because a lot of paper reels or packaging reels are getting damaged if you transit from one place to another. The paper core got compressed. It's been replaced with the PVC cores. We have it with the range of the product. We have it with the 5 mm thickness, 7 mm thickness, or even more as per your requirements. We do have in 3-inch and 6-inch. This one is 6-inch with the 7 mm thickness, which is being used in the paper wrapping reels winding thing. And a lot of the international packaging machines are now going with the 6-inch cores as well. So call us now. We have everything in stock. With the 3-inch also we got it with the ribs. Ribs gives you the proper gripping of the winded reels, and this ribbing also gives you the anti-slippery perspective. So anything you look after or you want to replace the paper cores, call us now or email us now with your requirements. Have a good one.